Our next topic is tips and tricks that are used in the MATLAB. Now, naming a conversions. While creating variables and constants, create a name that is not already exists by using which command. That is, you can use which command to just search for the variable name that you are giving to your own variable. That if you are assigning the same name to the variable that is already used in the MATLAB or stored in the MATLAB, this will display the result as an error. This will not give you the desired output. This will shows you the error in the output. Now, large or small numbers. To write large number or small number like 2 into 10 raised to power 5 or 7.5 into 10 raised to power minus 8, E notation is used. Like for example, it is shown here 2E5. If you want to display 2 lakh, you can write it as 2E5. Or if you want to write 2000, you just write 2E3. And if you want to write small number like 7.5 into 10 raised to power minus 8, just write it as 7.5 E minus 8. This will display you the result as 7.5000 E minus 008. Next is line continuation. There are many large arrays, so in case of large arrays, just split the row across several command lines by using the line continuation operator dash dash dash. Just 3 dash and press enter. Like x equals to, I just want to assign some values to the x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it is a larger array, then I will just write dash 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 at the end of the line and press enter. Then next line will start from the point where you left. Next is multiple commands on same line. Just type several commands on the same line to save space. If you have statements, number of statements that are actually small, so you can write these statements in the same line by separating them with a comma. Now, basic operations. Basic metric operations are, as you all know, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or power. That will be shown here. But array operations are somewhat different from the basic metric operations. In this, the basic matrix operations can be modified for element by element operations by preceding the operator with the period. Like addition will be displayed with plus sign, subtraction with the minus sign, but multiplication for element by element operations, multiplication will be shown as or given as dot star. Similarly, division for element by element operation is dot division, and power for element by element operation is dot raised to power sign. Now we have given two matrices A and B, and if we want to calculate the multiplication of these two matrices, element wise multiplication, not the matrix multiplication, then we will write it as A dot star B. This will give you the result by multiplying each element to the particular element of the next matrix. So here is an example, like we have two matrices or vectors A and B. Now if we directly multiply the matrix, this will shows you the result as error. It is already displayed on the screen with the red colored statements. Error using m times inner matrix dimensions must agree, because you want to need 3 cross 1 and 1 cross 3 matrix for matrix multiplication. But if you want to calculate the multiplication of elements, each element of one matrix to the next matrix, just use the A dot star B, that is element by element operation, to calculate the element wise multiplication of a particular matrix. So this is all. Thanks.